Welcome to the third annual Neighbors Helping Neighbors. I'm so excited to be part of the program for the third year in a row. This is just a program that allows those of us that are able to help out to do so and get to know the people that live around us.
Coppell is really known for actively helping each other, and this is one of the programs that reaches out to many people in the community.
This is one of the best things that Coppell does. Those of us who want to stay in Coppell, I've been here 40 years. This is going to enable us to have a better chance of doing that, living on our own.
The people that we helped last year, I won't give any names, but one of them works at Walgreens. Whenever I see her there, she thanks me for what we did.
The look on that homeowner's face when we were able to get the work done and help her improve her property was absolutely fantastic.
I enjoy meeting all the people that come over to help me clean up my yard. I wish that I could volunteer for the event, but I can't. If you can volunteer for it, it's so helpful for so many people in this community.
Every year, more of the residents wants to get help from our volunteers. So it's been growing steadily, and it's been a wonderful thing for the city to be part of this.
The City of Coppell and the Coppell City Council would really like to thank all of the volunteers that came out to participate in Neighbors Helping Neighbors this year. It's been a great event with a wonderful turnout.